In the heart of Mumbai, where the stories unfold, creativity blossoms bright and bold. From the streets to the rooftops, the colors align. Together we'll nurture, let our spirits shine. Join hands with your neighbor, let's take the chance, weaving back the fabric of life's vibrant dance. So come on my friend, hear the calling. Underneath the city lights we rise, never falling. We'll follow the melody of life's sweet symphony. In the beauty around us we'll find harmony. Connect to reconnect, let's return to the ground. Leave the noise behind, to the silence we're bound. Embrace the open sky, let the green lead the way. Reduce, reuse, reflect, it's a brand new day.
Disconnect to reconnect, let's return to the ground. Leave the noise behind, to the silence we're bound. Embrace the open sky, let the green lead the way. Reduce, reuse, reflect, it's a brand new day.